Hi guys, so Mariana is currently in the bathroom and we're at a Mexican restaurant, and right now I've just taken over the vlog even though we haven't vlogged all day. It's okay, we're starting it now and that's okay. So yeah, I'll just wait till she just sees this video and she's probably not even gonna use it, but yeah. Okay, bye! Yeah, we do. Have you ever?
Want to watch some videos. It's important.
Okay, right now.
Okay, are you ready?
Nobody's looking at it like,
I don't care if you have salt.
Don't even have to.
Hey, we make the rules of the game. Are you ready? Ready?
Ready?
One, two, three. Let it go. Chug, 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 chug,
You're supposed to do it fast.
has to go behind you. Whatever hand it's on, the other hand has to go behind you. And you have to try to eat the whole thing. The first one who eats it. Are you ready? The first one that eats them all wins. Ready? On your mark, get set, go! Using one hand only. Destiny, you can't use the hand. You can only use one hand.
Keep going, baby boy. You might want to cry.
Another bracelet.
What are they trying? You can do this. You can do this. Come on. Come on. You can do this. No, no, no. Ready? Turn around, sister. Okay, ready? You got on your mark. Get set. Go. Flip it over and try to get all the candy. Come on. You can do it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Shake it. Go.
one hand, one hand.
One hand. Come on. You got it.